Molweni nonke. Hey everyone. So in today's class we're going to look at greetings, and depending on who you're talking to, there are many ways you can greet people in Xhosa. So the general greeting is molo or molweni, depending on singular or plural addressees. So if we're speaking to someone more or less our age, we could just say molo mfowethu, which is our brother, or molo buti. If it's a girl, molo sisi or molo dadewethu. This is our sister, the traditional Xhosa word. Then we have molo tata, which is father. You could use this for anyone who is old enough to be your father, or molo mama. And then we have molo mshlekazi. This would be hello sir. Mshlekazi literally means the great beautiful. Mshle, the one who is beautiful, and kazi is a suffix for greatness. Or molo nkosikazi, hello madam, hello Mrs. This is from the word for princess. So Nkosi was a prince, and nkosikazi, kazi can mean either great or it can mean feminine. So the princess, or nowadays it would be used for Mrs. or Madam. Molo ntombi, hello girl. This is if you're speaking to someone younger than you who could be your child. Or molo mfondini if you're speaking to a boy. And if you're speaking to children, molweni bantwana. Molweni madoda, hello men, hey guys. Molweni bosisi, hi sisters. Molweni bahlobo, hi friends. Generally you would follow this with how are you, unjani. If it's one person, for the plural you would say ninjani. And namhlanje means today, so unjani namhlanje, how are you today? Or ninjani namhlanje, how are you guys today? Several possibilities for answers are listed here. Most of them are based on the verb phila, which means to be alive or to be well. If you just say it in the present tense, ndiyaphila, it means I am well. You could also say ndiphilile. It has the same meaning. We just have the past tense ending, philile, because it can be used as a stative verb, so the state of having become well. Ndiphilile. Ndisaphila would mean I am still well. And ndikhona, I am here, I am present. In other words, I am well. Or if we want to say we are well, siphilile. Sisaphila, we are still well. Enkosi wena, thank you, and you. Or enkosi nina. Nina is you guys. You could also say akukho nto, there is nothing, or there's nothing to complain about, everything is alright. Hi, right. No, I am fine, I'm good. Ndidiniwe, I am tired. And ka just means only or just, so ndidiniwe ka, I am just tired. When you say goodbye, you could say usale kakuhle. This is a polite, honorific way of saying stay well. So instead of just sala kakuhle, stay well, we say usale kakuhle, which is like saying may you stay well. Uhambe kakuhle, may you go well. Another way of saying goodbye if the person you're speaking to is going away. Ube nemini emnandi, have a nice day. So imini means day, iveki means week, from Afrikaans week, and impela veki, the weekend, because ukuphela is to end. Impela veki, weekend. And ubene in this case would be have a day which is nice. Ube nemini emnandi. Ube neveki emnandi. Have a week which is nice. Ube nempela veki emnandi. Have a nice weekend. Enkosi kakhulu. Thank you.